Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the Bernini Scandinavian designer clock. You can get this product on Amazon for about $30. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality product. The clock works with one battery and it's very easy to set the time. The clock looks really nice on my wall and it is very quiet. If you're looking for an analog clock which is quiet, good looking and not too expensive, I would recommend the Bernini Scandinavian designer clock. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.